So today we will be going to study about digression on equality. As I told you in the previous video, I'm going to tell you about what is the difference between the equality or copying of lists. So let's see. This is basically digression on equality. Now let's see. Consider the following assignments. Here we have list 1, list 2, and then finally I am copying list 2 in list 3. So you can see that list 1 is containing 1, 3, 5, 7 same values as that of the list 2. We are just declaring two variables for the same list, and in the third step, that is list 3 equals to list 2, I am trying to copy list 2 in list 3. All the three lists are equal, but there is a big difference between them. What is the difference? Let's see. List 1 and list 2 are the two lists with the same value. You can see that list 1 variable and list 2 variable both are containing one list with same values. The list is having same values, but the variable name is different. But when we talk about list 2 and list 3, list 2 and list 3 are the same list of the two different names. That is, they are having two different names, but the values are same. So don't be confused. Let's see this. Look, what I'm trying to explain you is that we know that this is our example. List 1 equals to 1357 and list 2 equals to 1357. Same values but different variables. Now what I'm trying to do, I am copying list 2 in list 3. That is, I'm copying 1357, that the values in the list 3, so that list 2 and list 3 can contain same values, same list values. Okay. Now x equals to y checks if x and y have the same value. You know that when we apply double equals to, then only we can check that the two values are same or not. If I talk about is, x is y, it checks if x and y refers to the same object or not. Look, these are the examples which will be demonstrating you that what is the basic difference between double equals to and is. So let's see. List 1 equality operator list 2 is true. Why? Because list 1 and list 2, these two variables are having same list, so they are equal, definitely. Now talking about list 2 equals to list 3, it is also true. Why? Because we are copying list 2 in list 3. Okay, you can see it on the screen. But if I talk about list 2 is list 3, yes it is. Why? Because we have copied list 2 and list 3. But if I talk about list 1 is list 2, no, it is false. Why? Because list 1 and list 2 is denoting two different objects. As I told you, list 2 is list 3, that is, list 2 is list 3 is true. Why? Because both the variables are denoting same object, that is 1357. Why? Because we are copying list 2 to list 3, that is why they are denoting to the same object. That is why it is true. But if I talk about list 1 and list 2, why it is false? Because it is having two different variables and two different lists containing same values, definitely, but they are two independent lists with two independent variables denoting two different objects. That is why it is false. I hope you got this. So let's code it in VS Code. So yeah, just make a file. Here I am giving a simple name list.py. Why? Because we are just dealing with lists, so I'm not giving some hypothetical name. Okay. So yeah. Now Control S always to save the file. Now write the example. Here you can see it on the screen. Now I am just demonstrating that thing which I told you theoretically. Now we are implementing it practically. So just look it and observe it what actually is going to happen over here. Okay. The same thing which I told you theoretically will gonna happen practically. Okay. So observe it. Now here I'm trying to print list 2 and list 3. Just want to show you that both the lists are same or not. Now I'm running it, you can see. So you are getting same list as an output on your output screen. So you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 same list with the same elements. So list 2 and list 3 are same because we have copied that. Okay, now let's see what I'm gonna do over here. Now let's talk about object, but before that, what I'm trying to do, I'm just printing list 1 and list 2. Just want to show you that both the lists are same, but they are stored in two different variables, that is list 1 and list 2. So I hope you got this. Now let's talk about objects. What basically I want to show you, what basically I want to demonstrate you by this word object is, if I declare two different variables, definitely if it can be same list or same value string, no problem. If it is stored in two different variables, it's going to have two independent objects. Okay, keep this in mind. If I am declaring one list having same elements and the same list, but I am storing it in two different variables, that two different variables will have their independent objects and they're going to refer to their independent objects. Okay, so you can see it on the screen. What I have written is that 2 is list 3, so it's going to give me true. Why? Because both the objects are same. Why? Because we have copied list 2 to list 3 by writing list 3 equals to list 2. But now if I write list 1 is list 2 or list 2 is list 1, then it's gonna give me false. Why? Because list 1 and list 2 are storing same list, but they are having two different independent objects, as I told you. So that's it. I hope you got this. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Don't get confused. Watch this video again to just get more into it. Okay? See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Up next, I'm gonna tell you about list concatenation and a wrap up summary. Okay?